Hey there, Kevin Kolbe here, and if you edit like me, one of the time-consuming things can be cutting out pauses. You know, like I'm doing right now. Also called the silence between our talks. That create jump cuts. Okay, the reason I'm talking like this is because I want to show you an amazing tool that I found that will automatically, with one click, cut out all these gaps. We're gonna launch Recut right there, and we're gonna go find the clip. It's right here. Now check this out. Bang. You see those red lines, those red gaps rather? That's already gone in and cut out the sound. So let me mute my mic so you can hear it. So imagine if there was a way you could automatically cut all the gaps out, all the silence out. Is that not just cool? So it automatically did that. Now, you can go in and you can adjust the pad, which is just the length between the gaps. I'm gonna leave it like that. Now, there's two ways we can export this clip. Here's the first one. You go to export and you open the exporter, and you can choose pass through fast, high quality. We're gonna leave it fast at this point, export. I would give it a name, so we'll say Recut open clip. It doesn't really matter. You can save it anywhere and it will export. Okay, so that's the first way you can use Recut. Now, I'm showing you video because that's what I'm doing and that's what I generally do more of, but you could also use Recut for podcast too. So whether you shoot video or your podcast or both, this is how you can use Recut. Now, let's look at how it does the XML. Okay, the second way, and probably the way I'll use it more, is an XML, and I'll show you exactly what that looks like. So I'm gonna choose Final Cut, but if you're on Premiere, DaVinci, you could do that. You choose that, and you do export, and we're gonna call this FCP cut. Just, again, you can call it anything, you don't have to call it anything, and it's done. Now let's jump into Final Cut and show you what that looks like. Okay, so we're in Final Cut Pro, and let me show you the two different ways Recut cut this for us. So this is the first one, it's just the clip. So I've already got a project started here, and I'm gonna go to import. There's different ways you can import it, and I'm just gonna double click that, and I'm gonna bring it down, and this is the clip. Let me expand it just a little bit, and this is also the way I tend to cut more, but I tell you what, I'll leave it like this so you can see it. Just cutting out the silence in a video can be very time-consuming. So imagine if there was you probably saw the gaps in there. Now you could go back in and recut this, re-edit this, but that would be a waste of time. So let me show you the second way. All right, so this is the XML, and you're gonna see a big difference. Personally, this is the way I would use it. So all you do is you go up to import, and you're gonna import XML. There it is on the desktop, and watch this. It's gonna import it, and bang. Now, if you notice already, you see all the cuts. So let me mute my mic and we'll play it. It cut all the gaps out, all the silence out with one click. Wouldn't that be amazing? So the reason I like this is because I can go in and I can move these around if I want. I can put back. I can even trim it. So again, I like this version, but you get both of them. Now, Recut is a really cool tool. It's not a free tool, but because you're part of this community, I'm looking out for you. If you use the link below, which is kevinkolbe.com/recut, you can save $10 off. And it's a one-time purchase. So like Final Cut Pro, you buy once, you keep forever, and you get all the upgrades and stuff like that. And that's pretty cool. Hey, I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Make sure you subscribe and like too, and I'll see you in the next video.